Today we are releasing our initial list of top safety pick winners for 2024. We had 71 winners that qualified for an award. 22 of those earned our Top Safety Pick Plus award. 49 received our Top Safety Pick award. When you purchase a Top Safety Pick vehicle, you can be assured you're getting a vehicle that offers the best when it comes to protecting occupants if you are in a crash. You are also getting a vehicle that offers the best in vehicle technology to help prevent a crash, whether that be headlights or automatic emergency braking systems that can keep you out of a collision with another vehicle or a pedestrian. We raised the bar last year with a tougher side crash test, and most automakers have responded. This year we raised the bar again with an updated frontal crash test that is focused on rear occupant protection. We also changed the requirements for nighttime pedestrian front crash prevention systems. To receive our highest award of TSP Plus, a vehicle must now achieve a good or acceptable rating in our updated moderate overlap test, which includes an evaluation of the protection for not only the driver, but also the rear passenger. The updated moderate overlap test is designed to get automakers to focus on improving safety for passengers in the rear seat. We developed this test after research showed there was a higher risk of fatal injury for belted occupants in the rear seat over those in the front seat. Both awards require front crash prevention systems that are effective for pedestrians both during the day and at night. It is important for automakers to continue to improve these systems and put them in more models, as we are at a 40-year high in this country with regards to pedestrian fatalities. The automakers leading the pack this year are Hyundai Motor Group, which includes the brands of Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis, Mazda, and Toyota Motor Corporation. Hyundai Motor Group had 6 TSP Plus winners, and Mazda had 5 TSP Plus winners. The great news for consumers is that there are award winners in almost every vehicle class, from small cars to large pickups, from small SUVs to minivans. Depending on your personal transportation need, there are a variety of vehicles for you to choose from, including several electric and hybrid models. Having a vehicle with technology to prevent a crash, or having a vehicle with good protection to prevent injury if you are involved in a crash, is extremely important. However, it is our behaviors on the roadway that are our biggest challenge when it comes to roadway safety. So remember, don't speed, don't drive while impaired, put that cell phone out of reach, and buckle up. The seatbelt is still the most important safety device you have in the vehicle.